Hi, this is Irene at Sundance Villas, and today I want to talk to you about driving in Paphos. At the top of Paphos, there's a special car park that has two exits, and I'm going to show you a shortcut from the Tombs of the King's Road going up to this car park, which is very handy if you want to go shopping or even go to the market. This cut through can actually save you a lot of time because you're avoiding going towards the shopping mall. This cut through is used by the locals and could save you a lot of time, and we're going to mark the landmarks as we go along as well. So here we are driving up towards Liddell. Coral Bay is about 7 minutes drive behind us, and Paphos is, I would say, about 7 minutes in front, but we're going to avoid that by taking a sneaky left a little bit further up. So this is where we turn left. We've just gone past the Venus Beach Hotel, trying not to run over those pedestrians. And we're going to go up here for a while, and we're going to show you a very interesting bungalow that's surrounded by thick hedges. And this is a very important landmark for you to remember. On the left in front of you is the famous bungalow, and this is important because you see it both ways, whether you're coming from the market or going to the market car park. So we turn right here. And the next landmark that's down this road is a blue sign. You can't really see it so well going this way, but you can certainly see it when you're coming the other way. I'll show you it in a moment. As you can see on this route, it's not very busy at all, but if you stuck to the coast road, you'd be constantly stopping at traffic lights, going around roundabouts. This is a really pretty drive, I think. There's the blue sign on the right, and we turn left directly in front of it. We're almost there. So you can feel really rural here, although we're in the centre of Paphos, and we're coming up to the market car park, which is over to our right. Okay, at the top, it's kind of obvious. Stick to the tarmac road, turn right. So here we are arriving at Paphos car park. On the left you can see the accessible lift. There are two lifts which make it really easy to get down to the car park, and just past that lift is the second exit, which we feature on our other video coming in from that end. So you can use this car park even just as a cut through. You don't even have to park here. The beauty of driving in Paphos is that you drive on the same side as England, and all the lovely big blue road signs are in English. So enjoy driving in Paphos. It's really easy and you're never too far from the lovely blue sea. If you're visiting Cyprus from the UK, you may live somewhere busy like we do in London, and my daughter is always commenting while she's driving me around, thank you Lauren, how open the roads are and how little traffic. We really appreciate that. And sometimes we're driving in the country road and we're hardly seeing any traffic at all. And that is the beauty of driving in Cyprus. So once you get used to it, if you haven't driven before in Cyprus, you'll soon get the hang of it and be loving it like we do. Thank you very much for watching. We've done another car park video, which features very exciting second entrance into this car park. And we film the route going down to the Tombs of the King's Road, going the other way. And I hope this is helpful because I use it all the time and I've been meaning to do this for a long time, so enjoy it.